You all have learned in your previous classes, plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. All organisms, including humans, require food for growth, repair, and functioning of the body. Animals get their food from plants. Food consists of many components: protein, fats and carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. These components cannot be utilized as such, so they are broken into simpler substances. This process is called digestion. Human digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside the body? How does the food we eat becomes the energy we need to grow and move? The process is complex, but it works smoothly. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This canal is known as alimentary canal or digestive tract. It contains various organs: buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. With these organs, we have some glands which secretes digestive juices called enzymes that helps in breaking of complex substances into simpler substances. The digestive tract and the various glands together constitute digestive system. Now let's see what happened to the food as it moves through the body. Our mouth starts by taking food into the body. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. We chew the food mechanically with the help of teeth and break it into small pieces. Our teeth vary in appearance and perform different functions. Salivary glands present in mouth secrete saliva, which breaks down the starch into sugar. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ, mixes saliva with food, which helps in swallowing food. The swallowed food passes into food pipe. Food is pushed down by movement of the wall of the food pipe into the stomach. This movement is called peristaltic. It prevents the food coming back in the mouth. Stomach. Stomach is thick-walled bag, flattened J-shape, widest part of alimentary canal. The inner lining of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Mucus protects inner lining of stomach from acid. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria. It makes medium acidic, which helps digestive juices to break down proteins into simpler substances. Once filled with food, the stomach grinds and churns the food to break into smaller pieces. Small intestine. It is highly coiled and 7.5 meter long, where most of the digestion and absorption of our food takes place. It receives secretion from liver. Liver is reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland. It secretes bile juice. Bile juice is stored in a sac called gallbladder. Bile juice helps in digesting fats. Pancreas is large cream-colored gland located just below stomach. Pancreatic juice act on carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Now the partly digested food reaches lower part of the small intestine, where intestinal juices complete digestion. Carbohydrates converted into glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, proteins into amino acids. Once proteins, fats and carbohydrates are digested, absorption takes place in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi, which help in increase of surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of villi absorb digested food. This process is called absorption. The absorbed substance is transported to various organs of the body via blood vessels, where they are used to build complex substances like protein. This is called assimilation. In the cell, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water and releases energy in the presence of oxygen. The food that remains undigested enters into large intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts. Remaining waste passes to rectum. As semi-solid faces, the fecal matter is removed through anus. This process is called egestion. This completes the process of digestion. The process of turning the food we eat into the energy our body needs is a long and beautiful process. Thanks for watching.